everyone, this is Ajay. You're watching me on Hopping Chef. Today we're going to make a Mediterranean salad. For that we're going to need some baby spinach, some Lolo Rosso lettuce, some Granny Smith apple, red apple. We're going to need some dried cranberry. We're going to need some cherry tomatoes, the cherry yellow tomatoes, roasted walnut, salt, feta cheese, some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some honey and some apple juice. Now to make the salad, we first need a bowl. Get a mixing bowl. We grab some spinach. Before I get my spinach, I make sure I sprinkle some water over the spinach so it's more crispier when you eat it. So I throw some spinach in the bowl. Get some Lolo Rosso lettuce, which is a very Italian lettuce. It's kind of a sweet in nature. So your spinach becomes a bitter in nature and your lettuce becomes a sweeter. So this is your sliced green apple. This is your sliced red apple. Once you finish slicing it, just throw it in ice cold water. Put a dash of lemon juice in it. That stops it from discoloring. And if you want, you can put a paper on top, because in that case you soak all the apples in the water. So that also stops from discoloring. When I throw the apples in a bowl, just spread it over. You're going to need some red apples. When you put your dried cranberries in your salad, just throw it over the bowl. Here comes your grape tomatoes. In comes your yellow grape tomatoes. That's your roasted whole walnuts. That will give you a crunch while you're eating your salad. So we have your olive oil, your apple cider vinegar, honey and your apple juice with a little bit of salt and pepper. You make your dressing with that, which is already made here. All you do is give a little stir to your dressing, so you kind of blend all the ingredients together as it may have settled while it was in the fridge. You pour it over the salad. I like my salad with a little crushed pepper on it. And the last is your feta cheese, which is originated from Greek. All you do is just crumble it with your fingers and put it over the salad. Now make sure you don't put too much of the feta cheese, because feta cheese as a nature is a very salty cheese. But we need that salt in this salad because all the bitterness from the spinach and the sweetness from the lettuce, sweetness from the apple, the cranberries are really sour. So the feta is going to add to the flavors when you do that. Wow, this looks so yum from here. Just give it a light toss so that you blend all the ingredients together. You can freely use your hand if you would like to. Looks beautiful from here. You could always keep your plate in the freezer before you're ready to make the salad. That makes the plate very cold and makes your salad stay a little colder for a little while. So the beautiful autumn salad is ready. If you like the video, do let us know your comments. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel to watch more of me. Thank you very much, guys.